Hello friends, welcome back to the Share channel. Today we will learn an easy way to bypass the Samsung FRP lock on Android 14. If you have a second-hand Samsung phone and its models are these, you can bypass the FRP lock using Android Password Genius. Download the software from Share official website. The Share Android Password Genius has been designed with the powerful Samsung FRP lock bypass utility that can help users remove FRP lock on almost all Samsung phones and tablets. After downloading, install and launch it on your PC. Then you can choose Unlock Google Lock on the main interface. Well, click the Samsung brand to move forward. OK, click the Start button. Now, select the USA model and hit the Next button. Now, the software automatically runs the bypass process. Alright, the FRP lock is bypassed successfully. You can finish the setup and use it now. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.